This is a very quick video for my students. So I've drawn this object here, just some random thing, and I want to show you how I can, when I use the push-pull tool, that I can match some other sizes, some other dimensions. So let's just quickly choose a rectangle there, and let's use the push-pull tool. Now, the conventional thing, most people just pull straight up and down like that. But if you move over to there, you'll see that I'm now using that as a reference point for the height. So you'll see they're exactly the same height. So let's just make this box now exactly the same as that. So let's just pull up and then go across to that reference point. Notice I went to the corner. I find it generally easier than to go to a face. You can go to a face if you want, but I find the corners are easier. I can go up to that edge there as well if I want. So that really is quite straightforward. Now you might be thinking, well, can I do that to do length as well? Yes, you can. So let's just pan around there so I can actually see what I'm doing. So there. So now notice that, and let's just go around here. Let's just push that in to that length, and now you'll notice that they are exactly even in width. So that's it. End of video.